The Sony CX550V high-definition handycam camcorder. Experience stunning low-light sensitivity with improved image clarity and drastically reduced grain with the newly developed back-illuminated X-More-R CMOS sensor. Optical steady-shot image stabilization with active mode compensates for greater degrees of camera shake to deliver smoother video from wide angle to full telephoto shooting. Get brilliant, accurate color reproduction and sharp, amazingly detailed images with the Sony G lens. Now there's an easy way to transfer and store videos directly from your camcorder to an external hard drive without a computer. The handy playback features of this camcorder allow you to access these videos stored on your external drive and share them on a compatible HD TV or monitor. Perfect for travelers, this camcorder features a built-in GPS receiver. View your geotagged shooting locations as well as your current location on the LCD map display. The Sony CX550V high-definition handycam camcorder.